The biggest lie creators tell themselves is, if my content is good, people will find it. No, people find what gets their attention. Then they discover whether it's good. That's the order. And your thumbnail is what earns that attention. Think about how you use YouTube. You don't watch every video you see. You ignore most of them. Everyone does. So why do you click on certain videos? Because something about them creates an emotional reaction. Curiosity, surprise, fear of missing out, excitement. Your thumbnail's job is to create that reaction, not to explain the entire video, not to tell the whole story, just to make someone think, I need to know more. Because the moment that thought appears, the click becomes possible. And every opportunity that follows, views, subscribers, growth, revenue, depends on that one decision. That's why a thumbnail isn't a decoration. It's a trigger that transforms passive scrolling into active interest. Without it, your video remains just another option in an endless feed. With it, your video becomes impossible to ignore. And in today's world, being impossible to ignore is a superpower, because attention is the gateway to everything. No attention, no clicks, no growth. It's that simple. The thumbnail doesn't guarantee success, but it gives success a chance. And sometimes, that's all you need.